everyone to Go on Guitar and to a great song from Kygo and Avicii when he was with us. This one is called Forever Yours. So this one is very cool. It's very addictive to play once you learn the melody. And yeah, you could do this one. So let's start right away. We have a capo here on the 3rd fret, and we're gonna go over 4 chords. The melody is based upon more than just 4 chords. We have some extra chords there, but you will just play some grips here and there. So we'll look at the chords we will actually gonna use as they are with the strumming and so. So the 4 chords will be 4-chord combo, very common. So it's E minor, G, D, and C. Let's start with the E minor. Okay, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so there we have the bass for the song, the E minor, G, D, and C. Now let's start with the melody. I'm gonna take you through the different grips, so to speak, and yeah, let's start with this part. Based upon an E minor. So you're gonna play 2nd on D string together with 3rd E string. And then 2nd on D, open B, and 3rd E. Next part will sound like this. So that will be open D together with 2nd E, then open D again, open B, and 2nd E. And then the next part is based on the C chord, and it sounds like this. So that is 3rd on A together with open E, then 3rd on A again, then 2nd G, and open E. And then you slide up here, play this part. Okay, so what you do there, you play the 5th fret on the D string together with the 7th fret on E. This is the grip, and then you slide back like this and play the 4th fret on D string together with 5th fret on E. Okay, so the last part was, okay, we're gonna stop there. I'm gonna play through for you slowly, so for what we learned. So it goes like this. Okay, then we're gonna play the next part. It's again based on E minor. Sounds like this time. Okay, so that is 2nd on D string, then open B, then 3rd E, 2nd on G, and open B. So. Then you slide up here to this grip, and that's 5th on D string. First I'm gonna play it for you, of course. And so 5th on D string, 7th on G string, 7th on E string, and 5th on D string. Then we go down here to this grip, play this part. Sorry. And that is 2nd on A, open G, 3rd B, 2nd on G, and open G. When I play the 2nd to open here, the last notes we just learned, I just snap it. So I play on the 2nd G, and I snap it with my finger I'm using on the 2nd G. So I pull off there. It goes faster, like this, okay? So again. And then we have the final chord here, or grip, based upon the A minor. And that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and open B. And the same goes there, from the 1st to open, I snap it with the finger I'm using there. In this case, the index finger. I play it on the 1st B, and I snap it off like this, pull off. And that was all the notes here for this melody. I'm gonna play the second part for you. So it goes like this. That is one round of the melody. I'm gonna play it slow for you, and then I'm gonna speed up to one standard tempo. So let's go. So there we have this cool melody. Like I said, very addictive to play this one once you learn it. It's not that difficult. The challenging part here, I believe, will be the jump between this position up here, the 2nd or 3rd fret like that, up to 7th and back again like this. That could be the challenge here, but you will learn the grips and then you just go with it. Okay, so that is the melody. You're gonna play that for intro, one round, and then starts the verse, and you play it for another 2 rounds. So it starts in the song with 3 rounds of this melody. Then comes this chorus. Okay, so here starts the strumming, and we have the chord progression E minor, G, D, and C. Okay, so the strumming for the chorus, 8 rounds of this chord progression will be down, down, down. Okay, so that is the strumming pattern. 1 round. It's 3 downs in total, and it's down, down, down. So E minor, then G, then D, and C. So imagine that there is 4 downs in total, but the 3rd down you just take out of it, so it will be down, 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 down. You could imagine that there's down, 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 like this. But take away the 3rd one, if that makes sense. That's the rhythm I'm out for. So down, 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 like this, okay? And you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. So E minor, G, D, C. Yeah, down, 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 1 round per chord. You do that for 8 rounds, and that is the chorus. And then after that comes a post-chorus part. You're gonna play the same chord progression there, 1 strumming round per chord, but now instead of this pause, you will add a clap. So that will be down, down, clap, down. 1 round like that per chord, and you play that for another 8 rounds. So slowly it will be like this. And so on, okay? So it's on tempo. And so on, okay? 8 rounds of that. And then after that comes kind of a bridge melody. I'm gonna give it to you. And it works as a kind of a slow down thing here. And that takes us to the second verse. And this melody, this bridge melody or so, will sound like this. Okay, so that is second on D string together with open E. Then second on D, open G, and open E. Then you play the same pattern, but now you just add a 3rd fret on E string, and the rest is the same. So you're gonna play second on D string together with 3rd E string, then second on D, open G, and 3rd E. Then comes the kind of C grip here. So it sounds like this. So that is 3rd on A together with 1st B, then 3rd on A again, open D, and 1st B. And then we have the final grip here based on a G. It's sound like this, okay. That is 3rd on E together with open B, then 3rd on E again, open D, and open B. And there you have it. So it sounds like this all together. And then starts the next verse. And with the next verse, you will play in the same way as verse 1, 2 rounds of the melody. And then you're gonna play the next chords that comes right after. Same chords, E minor, G, D, and C. You're gonna play 4 rounds. You're gonna play this one with just 1 down per chord. Like this, okay? One demonstrated here was the playing, not my humming, okay? So just to be clear there, that's 4 rounds in the chorus, second one, and then comes the second post-chorus. It will be played in the same way as post-chorus 1. Okay, I forgot to say the second chorus there, it's actually 8 rounds. So the first 4 rounds you will play 1 down per chord, and the next 4 rounds it will be down clap. So my mistake there, I forgot about the down clap, 4 rounds of that as well. Pretty easy, like this. That is 1 chord progression round. So 4 rounds of that. So in total, 8 rounds of chords in the second chorus. Yeah, like I said, next one, second post chorus, same way as in the first one. And then we have this outro part. That will be the melody, the main melody for 2 rounds. And that will be it for Kygo and Avicii's Forever Yours. Yeah, great song, and yeah, give it a try. People know this one, so it's cool to have the ability to play this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please thumb up, leave a comment. I love your comment, guys, and I read everything, so I'm very grateful for all your support. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget, like always, play tuned.